Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 20 Pro and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, make sure that you are connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet connection, and then let's go to the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom and choose System, and here we've got the backup option, so let's click on it. As you can see, now the backup to Google Drive is active. Let me leave it like this. And here we have no added account. In order to add new one, simply click on Add. Let's wait a second. And from this level, if you do not have your own Google account, you can create one or simply type your previous one. So let me do this. After that, click on Next. Here you have to enter your password. Let me do this out of the screen. Okay, after typing the password, simply click on Next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you agree, click on I agree. Here we've got the info about backup and storage. Click on Accept. And now we've got some info about what backup includes. It will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Simply click on OK. And as you can see, we've just added our Google account, our Google Backup account to our device. And from now on, all the content will be saved in your account. So that's all. This is how to enable a backup in your HTC Desire 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.